One of the questions that people ask me all the time is like, what are the things that you do for weight loss that does not result in hair loss? And one of the things that I recommend is supplementation with intravenous nourishment of different vital amines. And this is a bag of beauty. I would say this is my beauty bag. It is not just a beauty bag. Listen, beauty is just the tip of the iceberg. And the iceberg is basically formed of health and wellness practices and protocols that you practice every single day. So beauty is just the tip of the iceberg. So yes, for the tip of the iceberg, there is some stuff that you have to do regularly. So this is part of those things that you have to do regularly for your skin and for your hair. Your hair is nothing but an extension of your skin. So if you want long, thick, strong hair, you got to feed it. You got to feed your hair. And sometimes as you get older or as you go deeper into time, your hair cannot extract all the nourishment that it needs to stay strong and healthy. And some of the earliest signs and symptoms of aging present themselves in your hair. So you can actually see hair loss in sometimes even young people. And what's happening to young people that they lose hair is because their skin is getting that impact. It could be an illness. So during the pandemic, a lot of people lost hair because of repeated COVID infections or repeated illnesses. Sometimes people lose hair due to stress. Sometimes people lose hair because they are on some form of chemotherapy. Sometimes people lose hair when they're trying to actually lose weight, but as they are zipping their mouths and not taking all the nutrients, what ends up happening is, they may lose some weight, but they lose hair. So your hair kind of responds to what's happening inside your body very, very quickly. So, and one very important thing that people ask me is like, what are the things that they're supposed to do when they're on weight loss regimens that helps them not lose their hair? And one of the most important things in recent times, which we have discovered, is to give them a bag of all the essential nutrients and vital amines and minerals, especially the water-soluble parts of that spectrum of vital amines. We should give them in an intravenous infusion format.